Embark Dog DNA Test Kit, Breed and Genetic Ancestry Discovery, Trait and Health Detection, At-Home Cheek Swab. Hundreds of actionable health insights. 75% of dogs are either at risk or a carrier for a genetic health condition. Orivet Genopet Dog DNA Test, Dog Breed Test Kit, Genetic Testing, Heritable Health Risks, and Life Plan. Breed Identification DNA Test for Dogs. Orivet's industry-leading breed identification DNA test for dogs screens for over 350 breeds, types, and varieties of canines. Your report will include the percentage of each breed that makes up your dog. Fast turnaround. After we receive your dog's sample, your results will be available in your online account in 2 to 3 weeks. Genetrace DNA Sibling Test, At-Home Collection Kit for full and half siblings, lab fees and shipping included, results in 1 to 2 days. About the test, Genetrace DNA Sibling Test is an easy-to-use, at-home DNA test that helps determine if two individuals are full siblings, half siblings, or not siblings at all. No hidden fees. Each kit includes all lab and shipping fees to test two potential siblings. Fast results. Get secure, confidential results within 1 to 2 business days after testing begins. We'll keep you updated every step of the way. Embark's panel tests 215 plus health risks and provides hundreds of actionable insights to help you give your pup the best care possible. After receiving their test results, 37% of dog owners changed how they care for their dog.